Web browsing software. Web browser is a software which provides an interface to www. This software runs on user's machine. Web browser is available in two formats: graphical format and text format. Once a client has connected to a service on a computer, it accesses the service using a specific protocol. Protocols are rules that describe how the client and server will have their conversation. Every web server on the internet conforms to the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. For example, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, etc. What is a browser? Users type a web address or URL into the browser's address bar to view a website. This action retrieves the web pages from a website. A web page is an electronic document written in a computer language called HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. All browsers basically work the same way. Familiarity with one would enable a user to easily work with other browsers. A web browser is a computer program which resides on a home computer that provides a graphical interface to the web. A graphical interface means that all a user needs to do in most cases to navigate the web is to point and click on words or pictures on the screen. All major web browsers allow the user to open multiple information resources at the same time, either in different browser windows or in different tabs of the same window. Website. A website is a collection of one or more web pages that relate to a common theme. The first page of any website is called a home page. A home page will act as an index for the website. The hyperlinks in the home page will allow a user to read the other pages on the website. A hyperlink is a pointer pointing to the existence of another page which can be accessed on the website. While primary purpose of browser software is to view website pages, different browsers offer different features and may operate differently. Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer is a series of graphical web browsers developed by Microsoft and included as part of the Microsoft Windows line of operating systems starting in 1995. The latest official release, Internet Explorer 11, IE 11, is made available for Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. The parts of Internet Explorer are explained below. Back and forward buttons. The back and forward buttons allow you to move between sites you have recently visited. You can also move back and forward one pages at a time by pressing key on your keyboard, Alt plus left arrow, Alt plus right arrow respectively. Address bar. Searching is integrated into address bar. The address bar is also a search bar. You can use it to navigate to different websites or perform a web search. Suggestions will appear below the address bar as you type, making navigation quick and easy. Home button. Click here to navigate to your home page. You can also use keyboard shortcut Alt plus Home. Favorites. Click here to access the favorites, feeds, and history tabs. From there, you can view and organize your favorites, RSS feeds, and browsing history. Tools button. Click here to open the Tools menu. From there, you can view your downloads, customize your settings, and much more. Toolbar menu. Right-click the title bar, the topmost strip across Internet Explorer, to see the toolbar menus. From here, you can open the menu bar, favorites bar, command bar, and status bar. Tabs. Internet Explorer allows you to view multiple websites in the same window using tabs. just click a tab to view that page. To create a new tab, click the New Tab button. Alternatively, press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. Document area. It displays the web page you are currently viewing. How to configure web browser. To configure web browser, follow the steps listed below. Click the Tools button and click the Internet Options. The Internet Options dialog box will be displayed. Home page is the first page that will be displayed when you open your browser. To set a home page, type the address of the page which you want to make home page in the Home Page Address text box in the General tab of the Internet Options. Then click Apply. History folder contains links to recently viewed web pages. You can specify the number of days to keep pages in history. You can also delete history by clicking on Delete button. To change text and background color, click on the Colors button. The Colors dialog box appears where you can select the desired color for text. To change the font of the text on the web pages, click on the Fonts button. The Font dialog box appears where you can select the desired font for the text.